Good morning, guys! Katatapos lang namin mag-breakfast ni Dan. Malamig sa lubos. I'm wearing my Zara t-shirt. Yung mustard. And then I'm wearing my high-waisted black jeans na I got from Supre. And then I will be wearing this today. Denim jacket from Shein. Yan. And then I think I will wear my white sneakers this time. Anyway, anniversary namin ni Dan today, guys. Yeah. Char. Umabot kami ng 1 year. You got the present already? Katatapos lang namin mag-breakfast. Wait, hide it, babe. I don't want to see it yet. I need to prepare your present. Hala, ni Gora, dyan yung buang. Wait, hide it. I'll give you mine first. Sige na.
Better want to sit. Better want to sit.
Okay, ready? I'll give it to you.
My eyes are shut.
Okay, close your eyes, huh? Don't open it yet.
Yeah, shut.
Don't open it yet. Don't open it yet. Wait. Okay. Okay. This is it. You know what it is. Do you know what it is?
I know what it is.
Of course you do.
Do you want a piece of?
I will, because I like it. It looks really nice.
Yeah, I like it as
Look
well.
it. Port power. Yay.
Thank you, babe.
You're welcome. Do you like it?
I do like it.
Yeah, I know.
I'd wear it. Thank you.
Mwah.
Love you, babe.
Love you.
Very cool. You got the price still on there.
It is expensive, but it's alright. Over. Over. Sige na. Where's my present?
Where's my present? Shut your eyes. Shut your eyes.
May isa pa. Hindi niya alam. May isa pa.
Shot?
Yep. Shot.
Okay.
Can I pee?
No, not yet. Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on.
Why? It's a paper.
Hold your hands flat.
Flat?
They got flat.
Ah!
No, flatter. Flatter.
I'm scared. What is
Give
it?
me a kiss.
Mwah.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I forgot?
What?
The card. I forgot it in the house.
Ah, that's okay. I didn't get you a card.
You didn't get. Hey, that's good. Fancy.
A box within a box. I got you a box.
You got me a box.
Mm-hmm.
Ah! You got me a necklace. Yay!
You like it, babe?
Yeah, it's beautiful. I lost my cross necklace, and I always say, "Ah, that was my lucky charm," but I lost it.
You gotta pull it up.
Oh, cool. I should wear this now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, this is nice. Thank you.
It is nice.
Thank you. Ah.
Are they diamonds?
Are they?
Mm.
Diamonds?
Mm.
Shit. Okay.
Yeah.
They're diamonds? Where did you get
Maybe
it?
that fits your neck.
It should.
Yeah, a little bit.
Aw, thank you, babe. Oh, this is nice.
Nice and petite.
Petite. Yay! Oh yeah, that looks nice. Aw, that is pretty.
So, yeah, it looks good. I like it.
Thank you.
It does look good.
Mwah.
Take off the other one.
Take off the other one. I have another one for
I
you.
know, I'll go back. And don't watch. And don't watch.
How do you know?
I'm so smart. It's alright. Thank you, babe.
Mwah.
Love
I
you.
actually guessed it that it's a necklace as well.
Did you?
Yeah, I guessed it.
How?
You asked me one day, it's like, did you miss your cross necklace?
No, it wasn't because of that. No.
No, you said that in the car one
Okay,
day.
but I wasn't thinking of getting a necklace then. I
Okay.
Just, oh, very nice. Tommy.
Tommy, good old Tommy. You like it?
I love it. Yeah. It's
Yay!
cool. Thank you, babe.
You love it?
I was happy with it, just a jumper, to be honest with you.
No.
No. That's pretty cool.
I will always get you a port power stuff, but because I know that makes you happy.
Yeah, that'll make me happy.
This one.
This one's really nice.
Do you like it?
Yeah,
To
it's
replace
cool.
your work watch.
It's too good for
Yay.
work.
No, it's not too good for work. Wear it.
Too good for work.
Try it on.
This is a special occasion watch.
Oh, shut it. It's nice.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool, babe.
Does it fit?
Perfect.
No, we can get it adjusted as well
Yeah,
for
mine-
free. I have the receipt.
You have to get ready just a little
Yeah.
bit. But yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I do. I think it looks cool. Thank you, babe.
We can always replace it if you don't.
No, no, I like it. It's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yes, very nice. Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
Mwah.
Yay,
Wait,
we
wait.
reached 1 year!
Ah, cool. Cheers, thank you,
So
man.
just get it adjusted and then that should be perfect. You
Yeah.
can wear it every day.
I will. Thank you. Where do you get it from?
Secret? No, Meyer.
Ah.
Remember when you took me to work early? Because you had a meeting? I went to the mall. I went to
Okay.
Rondo Mall. So I went to, was it Meyer or David? No, David Jones. I went to David Jones.
Okay. That's cool.
Yeah. There are
Nice.
heaps of watches there.
Yeah, no, I like it. Thank you, babe. Yeah, I like it a lot. Because they get knocked around, that's the only thing.
Yeah, but that's fine.
They'll get knocked around.
It's fine. I don't
Okay.
care.
That clock's not right.
Oh, we have to set our clock. Oh yeah guys, daylight savings. So nag-iba yung oras namin. Dito na kami guys. MU Ridge, Eucalyptus, Kangaroo Island, South Australia. Eucalyptus. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa nila sa eucalyptus dito. Basta something to do with eucalyptus guys. Sabi ni Dan on the way to sa pupuntahan namin. So might as well stop here. Ah, it's a food place. Tasting. Ah, ciders. Meron silang ciders. Tasting and sales. Oh, smells good. Ito ba yung eucalyptus? Hindi ko alam. Yan ba yun? Smells good. May mga benta sila. Sheep milk. Okay. Ano to?
Thank you. How are you?
Hello. May patester. Eucalyptus honey sweets.
Open your hand.
Thank you. Wait, I have a gum.
Well, tastes like medicine.
Yeah.
Like top follies.
No, it's good. Oh, it's good with honey. Yum. We're getting eucalyptus soap, guys. Gusto ko sana to para sa beauty blender. Sabi ni Dan, yung malaki na lang kasi $3 lang yung malaki, yung maliit $2. Tama nga naman. Yan. And then I see this everywhere, babe. The coin. Emu Ridge souvenir coin. Ooh, babe. Fresh, bush, tomato relish. Nag-taste Dan ng cider and then he will get that. Holy cow. How romantic, babe.
That's how we do it.
He got emu pie.
Emu pie.
Emu and then that. Yeah, and then my soap. The soap actually turned out to be $2.50.
Sorry?
$2.50, not $3.
Oh.
Yeah, no, it's so good. And then sabi niya, baka daw makakita kami ng kangaroo dito kasi meron daw palaboy-laboy na kangaroo, dalawa daw. So we'll see. Very country dito guys, as in very, parang bukid, ganun. Maganda siyang tourist spot, like sobrang daming mga turista dito. Lalo na ngayon, long weekend. Pero sa 4 days namin dito, malilibot na namin yung buong island. And isa siya sa mga lugar na, like, maganda puntahan, pero hindi magandang balik-balikan unless dito ka nakatira. Kasi the last time you were here, that was 20 years ago.
If not
And
longer.
yeah, if not longer. And ngayon lang siya
25,
bumalik.
Probably.
So it's not something na, oh my gosh, you need to visit every year. Like Melbourne, pumupunta kami sa Melbourne every year or sometimes twice a year. Pero ito, once nakita mo na siya, parang okay na, nakita mo na eh. Maganda siya na na holiday destination kapag hindi mo pa siya napuntahan para lang makita kung ano siya. And then, yeah, to experience nature. CHAR! Right now we're here sa Clifford's Honey Farm. Do you want your head in there? Uy. Sige na.
Nope.
Come on.
Okay.
Choose the queen. You're the queen. There you go. Is it hot? I'll take a picture of you.
It's sunny. Wait. Tell me when.
Wait. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'm good. No. Good job, babe. Dito kami sa loob ng shop nila, guys. Do you wanna taste honey, babe? Do you wanna taste honey again? No? Ay, hala, babe. I want that. Yeah.
We can try that later.
Honey wheat ale. What else do they have? How much is the water? Fresco sparkling honey. Oh, sparkling honey. Sparkling honey and ginger. Babe, what did you get? That's really expensive. How much? $1.25. Mabango ito guys, oh. Vanilla beans. It smells good. We'll try those. Yep, thank you.
Is there alcohol in here or?
No.
Dito kami sa labas ng shop guys. Bumili kami ng honey ice cream. We will share. And what else did we get? Show them. We got the Fresco as well. Yung honey sparkling. It's not alcoholic and it's good. I tried it. It's only $6.
$6.50.
$6.50, yeah. Mura lang. And then we got that.
Honey beer.
Honey beer. Are you doing a whole bag?
I am.
You don't need that. Oh, the most expensive one.
Big spenders.
Big spender we are. So expensive. Hala babe, don't lose the...
Da-da-da-da!
Tan-tararan. Here, taste your honey ice cream. It's not bad. Actually, it's good. That's your spoon.
Oh.
Is it good?
Yeah.
See, another Outlander.
Yeah.
Told ya. Sabi ko sa kanya, ang dami ko nakikitang Mitsubishi Outlander sa island na to. We're here! Raptor Domain. Dito kami guys. Meron silang pa-bird show. Ganda na flap nila. Feather. Okay. Marami siyang ganap actually. May bird, may reptiles, may snake. Spiders, yeah. But we chose the bird kasi ayoko ng snake. And I think it's gonna be good. So ano lang, owl lang to babe? Owl?
1 hour.
Just 1 owl?
1 hour show. How many owls?
The owl.
I'm not sure. Do we have owls? Eagles?
Yeah.
Kookaburras?
What's that?
Yeah. Welcome to Australia. An Australian bird.
There's an arrow there. What's that?
I don't know.
Babe, you missed the arrow. Almost missed the arrow. What will you do without me? Okay. No, it doesn't. See, there's people there. See, I'm right. People there. Who's always right?
Yeah.
My.
Yeah.
There we go. Dito na tayo, guys. We're in nature. Dito na kami, guys. Okay, magsisimula na si Kuya.
Alrighty, jump in, guys. There's plenty of spots. Now, there is a couple of things we do like to touch on just before we make a start. The first one is that it is indeed a free flight bird show. So I'm going to ask you guys to remain seated throughout the presentation. That is for your safety and the bird safety also. They're not expecting you to jump up mid-show, so you might get a bird to the face or an unwanted haircut. So just remain seated and I promise I'll go around you or over you, you'll be perfectly fine. Has anyone played Where's Wally before? Yeah? You have? Yeah, okay. So, he is a tawny frogmouth. Now, where is Wally, guys? You've got him down the front. Over there, yep. A couple people. We've got the eagle eyes today. I did a show yesterday and no one could spot him and there was 110 people in the show. Yeah, and there was a guy with a Where's Wally shirt and I was like, mate, you're meant to be able to find him. Alright, so we've all got him. Yep, everyone's got him here. I'm going to point him out just over on that stuff there.
Yeah.
Yep, got him. Tawny frogmouth's closest relative is actually nightjars.
Hey, g'day everyone, how are we all? Good?
Good.
Well, my name's Chantel, as Carl said. My next bird's hiding from you as well. We're making you work hard for this show. But this one's not hiding in plain view. This one's hiding inside some perfect habitat for a bird of prey. I'll give you one hint, he's a nocturnal raptor, so what might he be? An owl. Yep, where might you hide? Where's a nice dark place in this arena that you might hide if you were an owl? What do you reckon? A tree hollow is a fantastic place, isn't it? He is indeed hiding in this tree hollow behind me here. Casper is a gorgeous barn owl. Now, for those of you that are sitting in the front row again, and don't worry if you're feeling neglected in the back row, we've got quite a few surprises coming up for you guys a little bit later on. This is nice.
Wow. Wow.
He's going to make some good videos or some photos if you want to grab it. Now, she will do some pretty cool manoeuvres.
Whoa.
Whoa.
And we'll get her working a little bit. Very nice.
Whoa.
She's actually not moving full pace for a wild hobby falcon. Wild hobby falcon have a fair bit of speed on her. So Kylie here is a rescue bird. She was actually rescued after she broke her wing and her shoulder. She hit a power line. You ready, Marakai? Come here. Beautiful.
Wow, that's amazing.
Good job, buddy. Now, when I bring him up a little bit closer, you sort of get an appreciation for that size.
Yeah.
Now, If you get fish juice on you guys, it adds to the interaction. Actually, you'll notice I cut their eyes now. That's from experience. If you're dying to hold Chantel, though, it's an additional $30. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Thank you.
Next up, Kangaroo Island Brewery. Dito kami magla-lunch, guys. Gutom na kami. Dito na kami sa loob, guys. Medyo maingay. Pasensya na. Maraming tao, oh. There.
Looking at this, you get 4 small beers. This is 1 each. And you
Okay.
get like, and give you a taste of different beers.
Sige. Yeah, sure. And then, how about the food? I'm hungry. Kain kami dito, guys. Gutom na ako. Oh, there you go.
Nachos.
Ang taong to talaga. There's chocolates everywhere kasi nga Easter na, guys. So, kahit saan kami pumunta, may pang ganito yung mga tao. Yung mga shops. Like sa ano kanina, sa Raptor Domain, meron din. We got our beer, guys. We got the tasting paddle. Tasting paddle ata, yep. 4 small beers. Kay Dan din. Nag-order lang sila ng food. Yum. I don't like this. That's chocolate.
That's chocolate.
I don't like This is alright. It tastes weird. I don't know, but I posted this picture. I got chicken taco, and then we have what's this? Nachos with lamb and prawn taco. Yum, kainin.
What's this lane called, babe?
Lover's Lane.
Is it named after us?
No.
Is that a yes?
Yes.
Is that a yes?
Yeah. Lover's Lane.
Am I the best husband ever?
No. Yes, you are.
For me. This is Lover's Lane. It's a rocky road that leads to nowhere.
That's Lover's Lane.
For us.
Guys, nandito kami sa pinaka-city na nila. Like, ito na yun. Wala masyadong laman. Tapos, close pa ngayon kasi Easter Sunday. So, wala masyadong ano. Pero nagpunta kami dito sa gallery. Nagpunta kami dyan sa gallery. Over kamamahal. Uy, yung table, $12,500. $12,500. 12,000 nga na pesos. Ano ang mahal na niyan, diba? $12,500. Ilang pesos na yan, babe?
Sorry?
Hundreds of thousands.
What's that for?
The 12,500? The table?
Okay.
Okay. We're back! Ginanito ko na lang yung jacket ko, guys, kasi ano, hindi naman malamig doon. Nung kanina umaga, sobrang lamig, pero nung ano na, medyo naging late na, wala na, naging mainit na. Ay, kakapagod. Dami-dami pinuntahan. After nung, where did we go last before MU Bay? Basta, nagpunta pa kami ng MU Bay. And then after that, nagpunta kami ng Lavender Cafe. Wala naman silang lavender doon. Ano, parang hindi pa ata season ng lavender. So, hindi siya, walang nagbo-bloom na lavender. So, it wasn't really interesting. Now, we're back sa hotel kasi may laro yung team ni Dan. So, he will just watch that. And I will just do some editing. Do some editing, vibe. Yes. Or maybe I'll chill. We'll see. Ito na naman tayo sa chill-chill.
You wake up in the morning.
have to do is
Where are we going today? Where going? What time? What time? Okay. Okay.
It's nice and relaxing.
It is.
It's our anniversary, babe. We reached 1 year. 1 year with me, babe. What can you say? Over dyan siya buang. Uy, pagtarong na rin buang. What's your advice for a long-lasting relationship?
It's only been a year, babe.
Uy, that's long already. What's your advice? Sige na. I'm serious as well. Tell them. Oh no, this question. How can they get an Australian husband? I'm serious. Just kidding. Joke. Guys, kagigising ko lang. Nakatulog ako kasi si Dan nanood ng football and panalo kami. Yay! We're winning! Malapit na tumatapos, guys. 2 minutes na lang.
I was jumping up before.
Were you?
It was the first half we didn't play too good, but it was close. And then the second half we played like normal style.
Across his body. Grab that left knee. And he was very slow to get up.
You know, we quick or we run, Harry.
Back in this week.
But they've pushed all their chips into the middle of the table for 2018 Port Adelaide. They've recruited well.
Nice. Yeah, now looks good. Ooh, it's windy. Guys, dito kami sa Ozone Hotel. Magdi-dinner lang kami dito. It's a pub. Guys, nandito na kami. Tsaka yung corner namin kasi hindi kami nagpa-reserve. So, dito lang kami sa gilid. Pero okay lang. Kasi, at least nandito kami. Kasi gusto namin pumunta dito eh.
Happy 1 year anniversary.
Happy 1 year. Guys, look at this. Sobrang laki. As in, massive. Thank you. Thanks. Thanks. And then si Dan, he got lamb cutlet. yung nasa menu, guys, Kangaroo Island lamb cutlet. He was thinking kangaroo. Yung kangaroo cutlet. Pero lamb siya. Pero that's alright. That's alright, babe. It looks good.
Yeah, we're fine.
Yeah. Alright. Yung akin, as in, sobrang laki. Oh, kain, guys. Lemon Perez.
That's good. That's all this? Yes?
Guys, katapos ko lang mag-edit ng video. That is it for this vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye. Good night. Mwah. Good night. Good night, babe.
Good night.
Good night.